Welcome back. We've got Tim Tibbles from JOMO GameCon with us this morning to tell us exactly what that is. Tim, welcome to the show. Good morning to you.
Yeah, good morning.
That's a nice morning to be out driving, isn't it?
No, it's too cold.
I agree with you right there. That's the one thing, during the summer, you don't have to scrape the heat off your car.
Amen.
You don't have to pre-cool your vehicle.
Nope.
So there's advantages to the heat. So we've got JOMO GameCon coming up. So tell me a little bit, what exactly is that?
Yeah, so JOMO GameCon is, basically it's a gaming convention. We've got 3 tournaments going on. We've got a tournament for Super Smash Bros., Halo Infinite, and a Fortnite Battle Royale tournament. We're going to have vendors out there and a cosplay, competition, that's it. We're going to have a couple of rooms for bring your own video games, bring your own tabletop games. We're going to have a room with just virtual reality games set up. Just the whole 9 yards. This is going to be super awesome.
It sounds like it's going to be absolutely incredible. So how long have you been doing this?
This is our first year, actually.
Okay.
So I am the youth pastor at Celebration Church over in Joplin. 13th and Duquesne is the street we're on. And over the last year, I've been doing this event that I've been calling Fortnite, where the kids bring their game consoles and blankets, and they build blanket forts, and basically it's an old school LAN party. And so my boss came to me and was like, hey, I think you should blow this out and make it this huge community event. And I was like, oh, I can do that.
You're like, that's the easy part.
Oh, yeah. So the next couple of days, I was like, oh, I could make this a full-on convention. I grew up in nerd culture, and now all of a sudden it's the popular thing. Yeah,
it has really become the popular thing. So what's it like for you to be able to put all this together and be able to bring the community together at the same time?
Oh man, it's been so much work. I've been networking like crazy. I've gotten in touch with different ministries out in Oregon and Texas and Wisconsin even. Just different people all across the nation just be like, hey, can you give me tips on how to do this? Hey, can you show me how to do this thing over here? And it's been crazy, and trying to mobilize the amount of people that I need to put on this convention has been insane.
But I'm sure it's been a great challenge at the same time.
Oh,
Great
yeah.
learning experience.
For
so that
sure.
way, if you do it again next year, you're prepared.
Yep.
And so, quick recap: where's this at? And when's this at?
Yeah, so it's at Celebration Church on 13th and Duquesne. It's on this upcoming Friday and Saturday. We're running from 5 to 10 on Friday night, and then 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturday.
All right, so a good weekend event for the kids to get out there and enjoy it, play their games with some great friends, some great fellowship out there. So excellent opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, Tim, thank you so much. And of course, for more information, you can send an email to JOMOGameCon at gmail.com. And of course, we'll have all this information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back after this.